Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be vibing with these orange colors, and I have to say I really love the way that this looks. I love the way that the eye turned out. It's very simple, dramatic, and then of course the pop of color is on the lips. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Truth be told, I wasn't gonna film today, but I feel like I need a little bit of an escape. So I have on my base, I have on my Milk foundation stick and my Marc Jacobs concealer. This is the NARS Cool Crush palette, and I'm first going to take the light shade in this palette and use that all over my lid. So guys, how are you doing? I hope that you guys are safe and well. Let me know if you guys have been enjoying the short videos. I know some of them are like super short, but I feel like we don't always need to see everything. We don't always need to see the foundation, the concealer, the brows. Like, if you guys really want that, I can make it happen. I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to dust that all over my lid. It's like a peachy shade, and it has a gold sheen. So I'm trying to keep my videos as simple as possible, but if there is something that you guys want to see, let me know. I can make that happen. So I'm getting ready to film my room tour. I might just do it today and get it over with, but I asked you guys on YouTube community if you wanted it to be short, or if you guys like really wanted to see everything, and you guys want to see everything. All of you guys have said that, so I am going to I think I'm going to try doing that today actually, and just like I said, get it over with. I'm excited. I love my room. I feel so happy with how it's turned out. I'm going to take this brown shade. I've worked really hard on it, and I finally feel like it's a good space. Like, I've been working in this office. I have like half beauty room, so what you guys see behind me, that's my like workspace. So when I'm doing work, that's where you will see me, and then when I'm filming, I'm in front of my vanity. So I love the way everything turned out. I'm just taking this shade and popping it in the outer corner. So I forgot that I had my Laura Mercier Caviar mascara, and then I found it in my coat. Since I haven't been going out, I haven't been wearing it. I always keep a mascara with me because if I'm getting ready, it's really one of the things that takes me the longest, because I really like to build my mascara up. So sometimes I'll skip it in the morning so I can do it at work. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner. And then up into the crease. I'm taking Immortal by Melt Cosmetics, and I'm just going to use that to touch up my wing liner. Guys, they make some of the best liners ever. I'm going to use the Hustle palette and use this shade here. As you guys can see, I am feeling the orange today from my nails. Well, my nails are a little bit of a coral shade. I'm actually going to use two lip colors today. I'm going to take the Rodeo Suede Lips in Rodeo Drive and my Gucci lipstick in Agatha Orange. And I'm going to use one on top and one on the bottom. I'm going to start off with, let's do Agatha Orange on top. So they're very similar. I thought that one would be a little bit more orange red and the other one was more orange, but either way, I still love the way that this turned out. This is my look for today. I am going to be rocking that orange and feeling fantastic. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.